Hi, welcome to ProFinance. Today, we're going to use one of the most popular social media and image sharing sites in the world to make money online. Basically, all you would have to do is post pictures for 7 days to make $600. As of July 2022, this platform had an average of 979 million visitors per month, most of whom were from the United States. Before you leave, we want to let you know that this platform and opportunity are not just for the people in the United States. They're open to people everywhere. You could make as much as $20 with just one simple click. You heard that right. It will only take one click. In this case, you don't need a computer or laptop to click. The platform we'll be using has a lot of apps for both the Apple App Store and the Google Play Store. In this video, we will show you everything you need to know about the secret way that thousands of people use this popular app to post pictures for 7 days and make $600. But before we start our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon as well. So let's get started. We're going to make use of two different platforms for today's method. OfferVault is the first one on the list. First, let us give you an estimate of how much money you could make by using this website. You can see that several offers pay varying sums of money, with some offering as much as $600 for your time and effort. We will break everything down for you in a way that's so simple that you will be able to make your first $100 in as few as 5 clicks. The moment we arrived at the homepage of the OfferVault website, the very first thing that we do is search for gift cards. This will display all of the available gift card options to you. As you scroll down the page, you will see the name of the offer, as well as the price associated with it. On the first page, you can see right away that there are a lot of deals for $38 and $30. You can use OfferVault to make money online in a lot of different ways. But we're going to save you a lot of time by only telling you about the best ones. Now, let's look at this offer, which is a sweepstakes for 500 Amazon gift cards. On its official website, you can see a huge number of different deals. Also, you don't have to make any websites because everything is already set up and ready to go. When someone clicks on your link, they will be taken to the offer's official website. If they fill out the form with their name, address, and other information and then click the next button, it will be counted as a lead. And with just one click, you have made your first $20 right away. Don't be concerned. We will reach a stage where all you must do is to earn $600 is submit images for a week. The awesome thing about the CPA marketing with the OfferVault is that you don't have to put in a lot of effort to make a sale. Simply choose one link and instruct everyone you know to click on it. You will receive $20 for each click that you make. You must agree that this looks like a lot of fun, right? Getting many people to click on your link is the only thing that stands between you and a daily income that has the potential to completely transform your life. Do you remember the name of the app for exchanging pictures that I told you about earlier? Oh, you mean the one which has more than 979 million unique visits every single month? We will reveal the one thing that less than 0.5% of its users do privately to make money off of it. Pinterest is the name of this great website. We will show you how to sign up in a minute. But for now, let me give you some examples. When you search for Amazon gift cards on the Pinterest homepage, you will see a lot of them. So many people share pictures of the Amazon gift cards for free. If you click on the picture, you will be taken to a page with a link. So if we click on this link, the person who put it here will get paid. So many people have used this website, and a lot of people are clicking on their Pinterest link as a result. You can do it too if you start posting pictures for 7 days and make $600. What they do is put a picture with a simple image, like an Amazon gift card, along with a title, a description, and their link. It could just be a link to OfferVault. When someone clicks on the link, they are taken to a page where they need to fill out some information. If they then go on to get a gift card, the person who posted the picture would get a small gift of their own. If you're worried about how to make those images, don't be, because we'll show you how and where to do it all easily and for free. We will show you everything you need to know to get a free picture to post on Pinterest. Let's move on to how to sign up for Pinterest and make your free account. The first step is to go to the Pinterest.com. As we already said, people put their pictures on this website so that everyone can see them. You can sign up by giving your email address, making a password, and saying how old you are. This is completely free and can be used anywhere in the world. As soon as you log into your Pinterest account, you will see a dashboard with a bunch of photos and images that you might like. To add a picture, click Create a New Pin, which will take you to a page where you can drag or upload your picture. After you have uploaded your picture, you can now give it a title like Win $500 Amazon gift card. The most important thing is, of course, to put your OfferVault link where people can see it and click on it. Did you know that each month thousands of the people look for Amazon gift cards on Pinterest? Most likely, they will find your pictures in the end. The more images and pins you add, the more people will be able to see them and click on your link. Hundreds of people will see your image every day, and some of them might even click on your link. We suggest uploading a lot of 7 days in a row. Post pictures for 7 days and make $600. Even though some people might fill out the form and others might not, it's still a great way to make money because you don't have to sell anything, and the people who click don't have to buy anything. Fill out the form on the page that opens when you click the link. Let's move quickly onto how to use Google to get free images. Go to google.com and click on images. Then, type free Amazon gift card into the search bar. You will see a lot of pictures that you can save to your computer or smartphone. You can re-upload the image you downloaded to your Pinterest account. But you can't just copy someone else's image because that's against the law, because it's copyrighted. We want you to do the following. If you go to the settings, then advanced search, you will end up on a page. On that page, scroll all the way to the bottom and find the section called Usage Rights. Change it from All to Creative Commons licenses. This means that you can share, use, and download the images for free without breaking the law. Now you can see all the images that can be downloaded, shared, and used in other ways. Choose a picture that says licensable. Then you can get it on your phone or computer right now. Now that you have the picture, you can upload it to your Pinterest account. Don't forget to include your title, description, the image you uploaded, and the link. You can do these steps repeatedly, using different images that you can find and just keep uploading. So, that's it for today. We hope you found our video interesting and helpful. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up and share it with others. Also, if you haven't already, please consider subscribing to our channel. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell so you don't miss any of our new uploads. In the end, thanks for watching and see you next time.